So I'm working on these model 1911 pistol grips. They're ivory, and I needed to cut. I've got the eagle here all outlined and border outlined, and I needed to do the screw holes. Well, making a tight little circle like that and having it come out neat, and round, nice and smooth is a trick. So, and I'm planning on doing more of these. So I thought it'd be smart to make a tool to help me out in that. So I found that I had one 22 Hornet casing kicking around and found that one section of it was the exact same diameter as this recessed hole here. So I cut it down to that level it fit, smoothed it all up, and see, it goes in there just really nice. Then I had this square tubing kicking around for about a million years. Oh, I finally found a use for it because, where did that get to? I have some tool steel that coincidentally fits. Well, I said fits in there with no wobble hardly at all. So I soldered a piece of it to that casing, made a little handle here, and fit this down through it. Now on the end, you'll see I cut with the Dremel, makes these wonderful little cut-off wheels, and they will cut just about anything. So I shaped this with that. First I took off the material I didn't need on either side. I don't know if that's going to be focused there. Maybe that's better. And then I shaped the cut that I wanted, and I wanted it kind of rounded like a beading, because the grips kind of come rounded off in here. So anyway, put the thing in there like that, and with this little L, you apply a little bit of pressure. Cuts a nice clean circle around there. I'll just keep doing that until I get the shape the way I want it. But I'm pretty pleased. Now I can, next time I do it, I won't have to make a tool. Anyway, thought I'd share that with you. Sometimes you got to use what's kicking around. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye.